Hello, it's Ethan from the Journal of Nonsense, this silly magazine I make for silly kids and their families. I'm feeling a little down today. There's a lot of dark things happening in the world. And then I looked up on my board of things I've learned and found this quote from the Indigo Girls. Darkness has a hunger that's insatiable. Lightness has a call that's hard to hear. Darkness is pretty loud. So let's see if we can add a little bit of lightness and make it easier to hear. Lightness, are you there? Okay, let's do this. Let's do a timed writing of some Journal of nonsense. We got 20 minutes on the clock. I need to work on the recipe for the March issue. If you've never seen the Journal of Nonsense, this is a recipe from the February issue. I'm moving out of the way because my poodle is nudging me. I don't know. Gracie, stop nudging me. Stop nudging me, Cake. Have a dog who keeps nudging you while you're trying to do things. Gracie, come here. At least let people see you. Oh, did she hit the light? Did you see her? Alright, go on. Back. Lay down. Okay, so March 25, 2025. This is the third anniversary of the Journal of Nonsense. I mean, it could be happy birthday cake for the Journal of Nonsense. Then it's just a bunch of nonsense ingredients, or put in a bunch of old issues. Maybe that could be something. Black hole bunt cakes just popped into my head. Doesn't have to be cake. Black hole cakes. Oh, just what about black hole donuts? Is that a thing? That sounds like a joke that someone must have done before. Black hole donuts. Is that a thing? Let's look that up real quick. Black hole donuts. There's a place called Black Hole Bakery. Hey, how are you, Black Hole Bakery? Yeah, I don't think anyone's done it the way I want to do it. Okay, Black Hole Donuts. I don't know what this is. Well, I do know. There would be an intro, something like, do you love donuts and astronomy? Then you'll absolutely love these black hole. These donuts made with a real black hole in the middle. Alright, ingredients. What do we need? We need a black hole. We need probably like regular donut ingredients: egg, flour, sugar, sprinkles, stuff like that. I'll look up what actually goes in a donut. Okay. Step one. Ask your. Let's move this up. Ask your grown-ups permission before handling a black hole. Black holes can be dangerous and suck up your entire world. So make sure to ask your grown-up for permission before proceeding to the rest of the steps. Boy, that is wordy. All right, remove the black hole from its package. You get your commercially available black holes. You gotta just take them out of the package first. Remove the black hole from its package. You put on. It's probably best to put on oven mitts. To put on black hole mitts first. If you don't have black hole mitts, you can use regular oven mitts. 3. Let the black hole come to room temperature. 4. Mix the egg, flour, sugar, and sugar in a bowl until it's dough. Not the bowl. The bowl shouldn't be dough. Oh, this is going off part of the screen. Did you guys know that? You knew that, and I didn't know that. How do I change that? Oh, there you go. Sorry. Not the bowl. The bowl shouldn't be dough. The bowl should be a bowl. 5. Shape the dough into circles. Well, not circles. The donut shape. What are those called? 6. Look up what donut shapes are called. What is a donut shape called?
In geometry, the shape of a donut is known as a torus. This answer is from SouthFloridaReporter.com.
Thank you, SouthFloridaReporter.com. Always on the cutting edge of donut shapes. Alright, torus. Is that what it said? Yeah. Look up it. Find out that they're called torus? Toros? We'll fix that. Whatever it is, find out they're called torus. Shrug and say, I'll just keep calling them donut shapes. 8. Form the dough into donut shapes. And drop them into boiling hot oil. Drop them into your deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a shallow fryer. This is a silly joke. You can tell it's a shallow fryer because it will keep saying things like, oh my, OMG, did you see what she was wearing on the red carpet? Like, gag me with a spoon. We'll probably have to update that to contemporary Valley Girls slang. Okay, once the donuts are fried, carefully scoop, a scoop. Yeah, you scoop the black hole. Carefully scoop the black hole into the middle. Once the donuts are fried, carefully scoop parts. Like half, quarter, quarter cup sizes, quarter cup portions of black hole into the middle. Apply a glaze and sprinkles. See that the sprinkles and glaze are being sucked into the middle of the black hole. Say, that's okay. I don't really like sprinkles anyway. 12. See that the donut and your kitchen are being sucked into the middle of the black hole. Say, oh boy, oh boy, I want to say my parents, but I try to avoid parents in here because some people don't have parents, and I don't want kids to feel bad if they don't. Oh boy, I'm going to get in trouble for this. I was specifically told not to get the kitchen sucked into a black hole. Notice you are being sucked into the black hole. Grab the remaining donuts from the counter, and so that you have something to eat for the rest of the time, for something to eat while you're stuck in the black hole, which will be forever. 14. Once inside the black hole, let the donuts you brought cool to room temperature. And then what happens? I don't want it to be real sad at the end. Let's see how. Let's read over this and see what the deal is. Black hole donuts. Do you love donuts and astronomy? Then you'll absolutely love these donuts made with a real black hole in the middle. Ingredients: black hole. Black hole. I don't know if black hole is one word or two. We'll find that out. Egg, flour, sugar, sprinkles, glaze. 1. Black holes can be dangerous and suck up your entire world, so make sure to ask your grown-up for permission before proceeding to the rest of the steps. 2. Remove the black hole from its package. It's probably best to put on black hole mitts first. If you don't have black hole mitts, you can use regular oven mitts. 3. Let the black hole come to room temperature. 4. Mix the egg, flour, and sugar in a bowl until it's dough. Not the bowl. The bowl shouldn't be dough. The bowl should be a bowl. 5. Shape the dough into circles. Well, not circles, the donut shape. What are those called? 6. Look up what donut shapes are called. 7. Find out they're called torus. Shrug and say, I'll just keep calling them donut shapes. 8. Form the dough into donut shapes and drop them into your deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a shallow fryer. You can tell it's a shallow fryer because it will keep saying things like, OMG, did you see what she was wearing on the red carpet? Okay. Just cut that part. Hey, right. Alright, once the donuts are fried, carefully scoop a quarter cup portions of black hole into the middle. Apply glaze and sprinkles. See that the sprinkles and glaze are being sucked into the middle of the black hole, into the black hole. Say, that's okay, I don't really like sprinkles anyway. See that the donut in your kitchen are being sucked into the middle of the black hole. See, let's just make this. See that your kitchen is being sucked into the black hole. Say, oh boy, am I going to get in trouble for this? I was specifically told not to get the kitchen sucked into a black hole. Notice that you are being sucked into the black hole. Grab the remaining donuts from the counter so that you have something to eat while you're stuck in the black hole forever. Enjoy! Enjoy. Is that it? Okay, maybe that's it. I don't know. I was going to keep going and make it like, what happens when you're in the black hole, but I think that's fine. Alright, so this is a perfectly workable first draft. We did it in about 17 minutes, not including the time I took away to deal with my dog nudging me. And do I feel any better? Has lightness been a little louder? Yeah, I do feel a little better. I feel like I did something and I fought back at the darkness. And I think the Indigo Girls would be proud of me. Indigo Girls, if you're watching, which I assume you are, give me a shout out. Now, if you've never used YouTube before, that's okay. You want to hit the like button and the subscribe button and leave a wonderful comment below complimenting me or complimenting the Indigo Girls or telling me that you're trapped inside a black hole. Any of those things would work. And, oh yeah, you should subscribe to the Journal of Nonsense. Let me know any creative tips you have. Let me know how you fight darkness and make the voice of lightness louder. And we'll see you next time. Bye.